to Tier 1, Class 2. We are on lesson number 1, and it is affixes. We must remember eh is the ish ending, and is the er ending, and ite is the ite ending, ite, and is also a prefix, yes? Away, like that. Uh, uh. Okay, new ones now are en. Just pop your hand into an en hand with your palm out. And like been, gone, like that. And then full, this is the sign for full, so put that on the end of a sign like thankful, like that. Then we have ly ending, which is an L hand that arcs down and back up to the towards the opposite side. So, like so. Ly ending, like thankfully. And the NESS, or ness ending, is like this. You just put your head, grab a fist, like so. It's an S hand, and take it down to the same side, like that. Ness, like thankfulness. And the ST ending is your thumb going straight up. ST ending, like first, most, like that. TH ending is just an H hand. Bring your palm in, like fourth, fifth, like that. Then we have the Y ending, and that's just a Y hand with your palm out. And bring it up a little, like happy, happy. And MENT, the meant ending, is like this. You take your lead hand and just arc it up and around towards the opposite side. Meant, meant. Like department, like that, meant. And then we have the dis prefix, dis, D-I-S, dis, or dis. Flip your hand out so your palm is out and your D hand is with your D finger straight up. Dis, dis, dis. Display, dis. And next we have two words, can. It's like you have a C hand, and it could be like you have a can in your hands, you're kind of rocking it around on the counter, or like yes, can, like that, can. And then we have shall, S to L, shall. And with those and the will you learned in class 1, we can add the D ending for could, should, and would. And last is contraction. So just like with the words, you put two together and cut some out in the middle. Same with the signs. So like it is becomes its. See that? Its. And what else? Can't. Cannot. Cannot. Can't. Can't. Not. Put it on the end of the can't. You see it? Okay. What am I saying? Ready? Okay, tell me what I said in comments and see you in lesson number 2 for feelings. Bye bye.